Hi there, welcome back to my hometown YouTube channel Home Design. I hope you will be fine and my good wishes always with you. This video is a series of the uh, upcoming videos. The door handles for your rooms and for your office, residential areas, main gate, and kitchen room, living rooms, and other rooms. You have must be a door that you are for your safety and for your something is for your privacy. So this door is very important. If these doors is decorate ideas decorations is very well, then you can see that and you can feel very good, because the first impressions whenever you enter your home, enter your rooms, then first look put in onto your door. The door is very well, and also handles of door is very well, then looking is very good, and you feel better and you feel very amazing and interesting. So you are all of anxiety and all of burdens of work, uh, you, so finish, because because you are looking very amazing, and different ideas, see that. So you can see that and pick the ideas from these videos and apply on your room door handles. Actually, the purpose of handles, push up and put the close and open the doors, and small power is used. Simply just push and open the door and close the door. If you want to lock the doors, then is also you can use this my channels and pick the ideas for your lock your rooms, and lever handle lock also available, and different mechanism is also available. Nowadays most commonly used is upcoming technology is the remote control handle is also available. Oh, of course, also available in a market. You can see that you are control your room door with your remotes, with your mobiles.